2, 3, come on.
Show you a very thrilling and amazing park. Big travel good park. How this is working, how this is lifting, they are giving here. And see the engine, how it is lifting the load of the big weight. What is this? That is smoke releasing, Bhuvan. But this is diesel. Big roads, they will use diesel.
I can tell you, come here, you know, are you seeing here this one, the big one? This is the big can here, are you seeing? See here.
Yeah.
This is the diesel purpose, are you seeing here?
Diesel
This one
purpose.
using a, see how much it is big. They will take the so big loads. See how much big it is. This much big, no. So they are using a big cars and bikes, some one place to another place to travel very long distance. That's why they are using this much tank for the diesel to fill. Children,
What is that?
you can see that is the, I think, smoke release, ma. I don't know exactly. Yeah, I think that only for engine smoke will come, no. That and all they will see. Are you seeing the engine clear parts? The engine parts we are seeing. See inside. Wow, everything was new, and we are seeing here. And see, are you seeing that these parts and all? Hey, where are you? You went under this truck, huh? Oh, you are seeing the under. Ah, okay. Now don't touch anything, okay? If the owner see means they can scold you, ma. Don't touch anything, and you can see everyone. See here the bolts. How many bolts is there means? Maybe they can use thousands of, maybe thousand bolts they can use. See, different bolts. The size of the bolts you can see here.
So big.
See how much they can use with this to use big
The tire holes are so big.
See, are you seeing here? This is the front tires they are using like this. Front tires they are using like this. And here something they are using. Now you seeing here back two tires.
Slide.
Back two tires are here. Are you seeing here? How many tires?
All this inside.
Yeah, why means why they are using like this? No, back side. Heavy load when
Heavy
they are
load
using.
they are using.
Back side they are using like this.
Load is going. If one tire damaged, then we use tire.
How many tires count, Bhuvan? Shall we know? Do you know addition? 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and extra 1.
2, 3, 4, 2.
you are going to be teach your okay, what is your natural friends? Why you are showing about the truck?
For this lecture, we teaching our surrounding and all we teach.
Oh, it's very nice, no?
Come basic.
Did anyone see like these parts of the truck? Now you can see. See, we are showing so many. You can see here. God, I am also seeing this the first time. I'm very so exciting. See how the connectivity inside. If you want to learn like this nature, who?
Like a brain only created this. They live in the present. Only they can make like this. Engine so many. Come, we will see all the engine parts one more time.
We are showing in the back side of that engine. Actually, internal parts of that engine we are seeing here. See how that petrol from their diesel they are filling this tank, and how it is taking means, are you seeing here? It will take inside, and are you seeing inside the pipeline something as a big? Are you seeing here something? See, actually we don't know exactly names of the parts, but you can see everything. Actually, this is a lifting. The trucks and all, they lift and no, like that purposes they are using. See how much the big tires.
The sides and all is like flat.
Yeah. Come, we will go now. Now we can see that from the back, from the long, you can see this and all is the back side of that whole truck.
Yes, friends.
Yeah, finally this is the front part of the engine. Are you seeing? This is new one. That's why we are able to see very easily.
See friends, how much long steps.
This they are going to be. They will go inside like this.
One type
And
of
this is-
engine, we should not touch and we should not walk in the engine.
Yeah, this is not engine. Something inside they are using this. Yes. When you learn, if you want to learn means you have to study. If you study well only, you can able to create like this so many.
There was four dogs. Small dogs. Where you Sabu
Security for the truck, I think so.
The dogs are security for truck, I think so. We are getting more only. Friends, I hope you all like this video. You like and share to your friends, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications. Bye bye friends.